So this is gonna be a test of my 52 Hunter Low Profile V, I think what's it called. Just a light kit test. Yeah, let me just switch it on real quick. I had a voice crack there. It manually hums. If you can hear that. It was also left on high when I moved in here, this house. I'm afraid I don't want to pull the pull change right now since the blades are moving. It's up close. Yeah, apparently it makes a weird noise when it's starting to pick up speed. I don't know how it makes though. But it also made a weird humming when I just started up. I'm gonna have to pull the pull chain for the light kit once it stops moving. Oh, this is taking so long. Yeah, you can point, but right up here is where the pull chain up here. Pull chain for the ceiling fan. Right here, pull chain for the light kit. There you have it. Box guy, over and out.